Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 7.2 from Congruence of Triangles 7th class ncert. Question number 10. Explain why triangle ABC is congruent with the triangle FED. These are the two triangles given, and here we have to tell why these two triangles are congruent. We know that if any triangle by these four cases, it means three sides and two sides one angle, two angles with one side, one right angle hypotenuse side. By using the four cases, we can get a triangle as congruence, right? So by using these four properties, one triangle is congruent with another triangle, we can tell in easily. So here let's see in which case it will comes under. So let's start with the triangle ABC here and triangle FED here given. Why? Because of triangle ABC. See here ABC. BC is equal to DE. Here is the given. Therefore, BC is equal to DE. It is called as side, right? Next, here angle. See, this is one angle and this is another angle. Angle BAC is equal to the angle DFE. Angle DFE. Angle DFE. It comes under the angle. Next, we can see it is as right angle, right? So, therefore, angle B is equal to angle E. It is 90 degrees also. So, it is right angle. But it is not comes under the R.H.S because of there is no hypotenuse given. It is equal. But in this case, here one angle and here another angle. Here one side. So, it is comes under the case 3, that is A.S.A. It means two angles one side. Therefore, property angle side angle. So this is the property. It comes under the triangle ABC is congruent with the triangle FED. What is the definition of angle side angle? Two triangles are congruent if the two angles and the included side of one are respectively equal to the two angles and the included side of the other. So, therefore, here triangle ABC, this triangle is congruent with this triangle DEF or FED also. So this is about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.